Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will have an edit talk titled Beyond the Classroom, the True Power of Higher Education. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Marsha Octaviana Kiasahira. I study at State University of Surabaya. Today I want to ask all of us one question. What does it really mean to be a university student? Is it just about attending lectures, submitting assignment, and finally achieving our diploma? Or is there something deeper, something that goes beyond the classroom walls? For me, higher education is not just about academic. It is about discovering ourselves, building our character, and preparing to contribute meaningfully to society. As university students, we often feel overwhelmed with deadlines, group projects, internship, and endless readings at times. It feels like we are just surviving semester by semester. But if we pause for a moment, we will realize that this experience, both challenges and the opportunities, are shaping us into the people we will become in the future. Today, I want to share why higher education is not only about earning a degree but about three important transformations. The first, expanding knowledge, critical thinking. Second, developing personal and social growth. Third, creating opportunities and responsibility for the future. First, higher education expands our knowledge and critical thinking in high school. We learn mostly from textbook, but in university we are encouraged to question, analyze, and create ideas. Professors don't simply give us answers, they challenge us to search for them. For example, when we are assigned research papers, it's not only about finding information, but it is also about evaluating sources, connecting theories, and forming our own arguments. This process trains us to think critically, a skill that is highly needed in today's world. And research separatists, a study published in the journal Economic Structure, found that in Indonesia, the return to higher education is around 40.8%. This means that one average university graduate earns 59% higher income compared to high school graduates. This shows that the knowledge and skill we gain in university have a real economic value. Second, higher education develop us personally and socially. University is often the first time many of us live away from home. We learn how to manage our time, finances, and responsibilities. This independence teaches us maturity and resilience beyond academics. Higher education gives us opportunities to join organizations, commits, and community projects. Through these activities, we build leadership, teamwork, and communication skills. Quality that no textbook can teach. Let me share a simple example. In my own experience as a student, I once joined a campus event commit. At first, I felt nervous about speaking in front for others. But through teamwork, late night discussion, and problem solving, I discovered my own ability to lead and collaborate. That moment reminded me that university life is not just about grades, it is about growth. And let's not forget the friendship we built. Meeting people from different backgrounds help us understand diversity, tolerance, and empathy. This experience shaped us into individuals who can work and live in global community. Third, higher education creates opportunities and responsibilities. Yes, having a university degree can open doors to better jobs and higher income. But more importantly, it's open opportunities to contribute to society. However, we must also face reality. Data from Badan Pusat Statistik or BPS 2024 show that the participation rate in higher education among Indonesian age 90 to 23 is still around 32%. That means more than two-thirds of young people do not have access to universities. In provinces like Papua, the rate is even lower, only about 12 to 50%. This means that a student who do have the privilege of attending university, we also carry a responsibility. We are not just studying for ourselves, we are preparing to give back. At the same time, this has also warned us, many graduates still struggle with employment because of its mismatch between what university teach and what industry need. This is why higher education must not only give us knowledge, but also equip us with relevant skills, including communication, teamwork, and problem solving. The OECD even report the employers now prioritize this soft skill as highly as technical knowledge. So yes, higher education creates opportunity, but it also challenges us to use the wisely. So, are we here in university just to case grades? Or are we here to grow, to challenge ourselves, and prepare for the future? The late Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Studies prove that higher education does increase our opportunities, but inspiration tells us that is it not only about what we achieve. It is about we contribute as students. We are holding the powerful weapon in our hands. The question is how we will use it. Ladies and gentlemen, higher education is more than lectures and diplomas. It is a journey of knowledge, personal growth, and opportunities, but its true value lies in how we apply it. Let us not just graduate with a degree, let us graduate with purpose, with resilience, and with the courage to inspire change. Because when we embrace higher education not only for ourselves but also for the world, we are not just students, we are future change makers. Thank you.